Hello students, I am Savitri Krishnamurty, your VARC mentor. Learn vocabulary with me starting today. I am going to cover some commonly confused words. Today our commonly confused pair is effect, E-F-F-E-C-T, and affect, A-F-F-E-C-T. Suppose I say, why does Virat Kohli have such a tremendous effect on Indian cricket, E-F-F-E-C-T, or should I say, why does he have such a tremendous effect on Indian cricket, A-F-F-E-C-T. What's the word I want? The word I want here is effect, which is used as a noun, which means influence or impact. Now, effect also means the same thing, but it is used in a different way. Virat is not affected by criticism. Okay, I hope you've understood the difference between effect and affect. Make your own sentences. Till the next session on commonly confused words. Bye-bye.